I'm gonna do a pour on some coasters, and I will show you how I do it. I chose purple. I already put the paint in there, and I put my pouring medium. You want to make sure that it's very soupy. Purple. Drippy. Green. So purple, blue, and green. Those are my colors. Got my special solution, which is different silicone oils to my taste. So I'm going to put a couple of drops of this in each color. And I'm just going to mix them slightly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm so happy I got a awesome little tripod so you can see above. And all these little cups that I have here, I got they're like appetizer cups. I like them, they're plastic. When the paint dries, I can peel them and I can use them for jewelry. So, very cool. I'm gonna mix my white. Shake it up again. Thank you, Molly. Alright. So I'm gonna put a little bit of white in each one. And let's do blue, blue, blue. And let's do a little bit of white. White, white, white. Green, green, green. Start with green on these. Let's see. Mix them up a bit. White, white, blue. And green. Change music. So purple. The higher you raise it, the more it'll go into the paint. I've been doing this for 2 years now, and it's very addictive and I love it. have a tin underneath to catch all the drippings, and I will also peel that as well, and I'll use that for jewelry. I like to recycle as much as I can. And I'm sorry for my voice. It's probably because I had too much fun at Tumble Down and I can't speak anymore. But that's okay! Alright, so now we're gonna flip him. Or actually, let's do a ring pour on this one. So the ring pour is just keep doing circles. Round and round and round and round and round and round. Now I'm just gonna move it around to what we like. It's pretty. I like it, I like it, I like it. Let's do this one. So, even though they're the same colors, they'll come out different every time, especially what color you layer first. This one definitely has more green. And these are going to be for my friend Matt because we love Twiddle and he wanted like 5 of them, so let's on this one, we're going to do a flip. I'm going to flip on that one. Let's do a flip on this one. That'll be cool. And what else? So we did flip, we did ring pour, and let's see if we'll do like, I don't know what this is called, but I don't really wear gloves because I like to get messy. And then this one we'll do the same. I think they call this the ribbon pour. Kind of like a ring pour. I love these colors together. Each one is so different. Alrighty. I like the flip cup pour because it's like magic. It's like just ready, 1, 2, 3, lift. So this has a couple different silicones and oils in it. That's what gives it that look. Let's do the other one. Voila. Looks like it has a little creature in there. There you go. Couple different pours, same color, different techniques, different outcomes, and beautiful.